Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to resize your images in WordPress. Uh, Sometimes you have to crop, you have to maybe reduce the size. So I will show you because WordPress has built-in feature. I will say basic editing features. I will show you now. Let's say for example, this is my early dropship theme. So now let's say for example here I need few images to be updated. Let me take this one for example. Now for this theme we need of this size, image of this size. So it will be 316 pixels into 179 pixels. So 316 will be the width and 179 will be the height. Okay. If you have exact size, then it's okay. Otherwise, let me show you how to do that. For example, these images are already uploaded. If you want to upload, you can upload new one. So let me take out of this and we will make the same size from these images. Okay, one more thing. Let's say, for example, you have to bring it to 316 by 179. So your image shouldn't be, quite large. If we see here, this image is 734 by 380. Because if you will if you take a large image and then you will reduce or crop to that level, you might get a very small area out of that. So it will not work. Uh, Now this image is 800 by 800. So if we have to take a area equal to 316, so you can imagine what area will come from this. Let's try this in order to understand the problem. So I will click this edit image, if you can see here under this pixels. So edit image, and now here is the image. Okay, here we have scale. If you want to reduce its size, you can do from here if you have a ratio, because this will keep the same ratio. So let's say for example 800 by 800, so let me keep it, let's say 400. So it will remain the same ratio. It was 800 by 800, so if you will reduce, it will keep 400 by 400, so square. Okay, let me put it back to 800, like, right? Then we have aspect ratio. Aspect ratio is, let's say for example, if you want to do 2 by 1, 1 by 2, like that. So it will be equivalent, uh, it will have the equivalent width and height, right? Now there's another function or feature, that is selection or cropping, right? Now let me show you, because there is sometimes there's a confusion. For example, okay, first just select some area, right? Anywhere and any place, I mean, it's okay. Okay, now here I can manually type 316 and then 179. 179. If you see now what I was saying, that if image is quite large, then the cropping area will be, you have to see what area you have to select. Because see, out of this whole image 800 by 800, only this area you are able to select. So if you can find some, let's say for example, let me give you focus on this. Now here, this is the area I have to select, for example. Now if you see, this save button will be disabled. So normally we get confused. So 179, let me put 179 exact size. Okay, now this is, so save button will be disabled by default, right? Because we have just selected, we haven't yet cropped. So this is just a trick. You have to remember this. Okay, you have to, after selection, you have to click this crop button, right? This one, this icon. So once you will click this one, if it will crop. Now if you see, the save button is enabled, right? So now I will click save. Okay, and if you see, let me show you another few options. Click again. Uh, Let me go back to here, and No, because now it is not allowing me to edit. Okay, came it. Okay, now let's say for example, this was crop and we have some other these functionalities as well. So you can rotate, you can change the direction. There are different, it is up to you if you want to use these features or you don't want to use these features. But this crop feature, I really liked it because this was something I needed, right? Okay, now let me go to my actual problem where I was trying to achieve that. Okay, now here I have to do that one. Okay, let me find that image if I can find. There are so many images. Ideally, I should have selected that one. Okay, let me do this one. So this one I will put it update. Okay, update done. And one more thing, it will replace the existing image, please. If you need to take the backup of existing image, better to take that, otherwise it will be replaced. Let me see here. No, it is not yet changed because I had not saved it. So I need to find that now. I'm trying to find that image. Okay, let me do it again. Edit image. And okay, this is done. It is already edited. So okay, let me cancel it. It is showing the same. Okay. Okay, sorry. My mistake. Because I have to. Why it is not changing? This one, sorry. Yes, I got it. Okay, it is exactly same size. Done. And then last, save. Okay, now let me try F5. See, it has changed. So we easily craft using WordPress default functionality. Hope you like the feature. Thank you and keep in touch.